Another way to create and manage your website on your own computer is to use a local server. And while that's completely overkill for HTML and CSS, it's still good to know as you advance in your web development journey. A popular tool is MAMP, which stands for Mac, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. And this is used for pretty heavy web development. But we're going to download it and install it so you could see what kind of tools are available to you. If you go to mamp.info, you'll be brought to MAMP's download page. And I should mention here that while the first M stands for Mac, there is a version of MAMP available for Windows as well. We're going to click on the free download button, and then we'll be brought to the download page. So we should download the version of MAMP that is for our computer. I'm running a Mac, so I'll choose that one. And then the installer will download. Once the installer downloads, we'll go through the installation process. And then once the installation is complete, we can close the installer. Now to run MAMP, we'll open up our applications folder and we'll scroll down to the M's. Notice that there's both MAMP and MAMP Pro. MAMP Pro is a paid version, so to use all of the features here, you would need to subscribe. So we'll click on the MAMP folder and then the gray MAMP icon. Once that's open, we can click Start Servers. And then once the server is started, the MAMP website will open up. Notice that the URL is localhost:8888/MAMP. If I click My Website, we'll go directly to localhost:8888. And since we have no files here, we're getting a 403 forbidden error. To figure out where you should be putting your files in MAMP, you can open the Preferences by using the toolbar menu or by pressing Command comma. And if we go to the Web Server tab, we'll see that our website files should go into Applications, MAMP, htdocs, and if we click Show in Finder, that will be brought up for us. So if I click htdocs, there's nothing in here. But if we were to put an HTML file in here, we could access it from localhost:8888. In fact, localhost:8888 serves as the root or base directory for our website files, and it has direct parity with the root directory htdocs. So if I were to add a folder called images here, in my browser, I could go to localhost:8888/images to view that folder as well. And further, if we were to add an image to this folder, we'll just drag one over here. We can then go to localhost:8888/images/hat.jpg for the image to show up. So once again, the directory structure for MAMP has a direct link between localhost:8888 and the htdocs folder. Any files you put in htdocs will be accessible from localhost:8888, and any directories you add will be localhost:8888/ the name of that directory. MAMP is a great tool if you want to do heavy development, but for the purposes of the book and these videos, we'll continue to use the documents folder structure.